looking for ways to increase profitability by reducing energy costs, or if you're in the property rental business, to boost your property's rental returns. SonFabrik is a specialist renewable energy solutions company operating nationally since 2012. SolarEdge is an international Nasdaq-listed group with world-leading renewable energy technology. We deliver energy security, financial savings, and sustainable power to farms, factories, commercial and industrial sites. Our services cover energy audits, system design, financing, and seamless integration with backup generators and battery storage. We design for optimal performance throughout the system life cycle. Our clients can expect increased rental revenue, reduced operational costs, and protection of their businesses from the devastating effects of electricity grid instability. With over 4 megawatts installed nationally, our systems deliver consistent results. We also have more than 50 industrial and commercial sites under monitoring and management, ensuring optimal life cycle performance. We use globally proven technology from SolarEdge, a Nasdaq-listed leader in commercial energy solutions. SolarEdge technology provides industry-leading efficiency, reliability, and safety standards. In the energy commodity industry, you cannot compromise on these factors, which is why SonFabrik exclusively installs SolarEdge inverter and battery systems. There is so much more we can tell you about our services and how they'll increase your profits. Let's set up an appointment and show you how we can increase your profits substantially. Do it right, first time, on time. That's us, SonFabrik.